If you are getting ghosted by brides or grooms over the phone, email, etc., if you're getting inquiries and you're replying to those inquiries with your prices and your information, and then you don't hear back from them, i.e. being ghosted, follow that shit up. It's that simple. So I hope you're well, Adam here, and today I just wanted to make this quick little rant about the frustration of getting ghosted by brides and not hearing back when you've replied to their inquiry and you don't hear back from them, and how you should be dealing with this situation, because it's really simple, but the amount of people that I see that don't know how to deal with it and that panic and worry. And the thing is, I do get it. You spend careful time crafting a nice email reply. You'll spell check it and make sure it reads okay. And then you send it, and then nothing. And then a week goes by, still nothing. And then 2 weeks, and you start to worry and you start to panic. Oh my God, they hate me. What have I done? Why did I say that? I've cocked it up. What am I going to do? Maybe I should message them again. Or is that too needy? It's understandable to go down this rabbit hole of worrying because it's your livelihood and you care about it. But to put yourself in the couple's shoes, their wedding is 2 years away. They have started thinking about video, so they inquire with you. They get your information and they think to themselves, yeah, well, right, we'll digest that. We'll have a chat about it over the weekend. The wedding's ages off. They're in no rush. They aren't always in a rush. They might have busy lives. There's 1,000,001 perfectly innocent reasons for why they might not have got back to you. And maybe they did go with someone else, or maybe you were out of budget, or maybe they never even got your email because of some fault, or maybe an issue that I'm struggling with at the minute is that maybe that your email went into their junk folder and they've just not seen it. Either way, the solution is the same, and it's dead simple. Just follow up. Hi, just checking in to see if you got my last email. I've not heard back from you. Just wanted to check that you got it okay. Are you still thinking about videography? Don't be afraid to do this. It's perfectly normal. It's a normal follow-up email. It's perfectly acceptable and normal, and the bride and groom aren't going to feel pestered or anything. At the minute, I'm struggling with some of my emails going into bride's junk folders. That could be your excuse. I just wanted to follow up, see if you got my last email, because I've been struggling with emails landing in junk folders. So if you've not heard back from me, please can you check your junk folder. And yeah, if the first email went into junk, then there's a chance that the follow-up email would end up in junk as well, and they not see that. But in that case, why not text message them? When they fill in their contact form, when they initially inquire with you, you should be getting their phone number. Hi, this is Adam. You inquired about a wedding. I replied to your email. I'm just checking that you got it. I've not heard back from you. When I first started out, every single inquiry, without even replying to their email, I would just ring them straight away. I'd get an inquiry and I would ring them. Hi, this is Adam, the wedding videographer. You inquired with me about your wedding. Did get your email, but I'm just away from my desk at the minute, so I thought I'd give you a quick call instead, because it's easier to discuss everything over the phone anyway. I love your venue. I'd love to chat more about your wedding if you've got 5 minutes. I'd love to hear more about it. What was that, sorry? Oh, you think my work's amazing? Oh, stop it. I'm blushing. So yeah, so that's something that I used to do every time, and I would ring them and just chat over the phone rather than replying to an email. That way you can't not get a reply. So basically the point I'm getting to is if you're not following up every single inquiry that you don't hear back from, what are you waiting for? What I do is once a month I will go back through the previous month's inquiries, all the ones that never replied to me that I got ghosted by, and I will send them a follow-up email. And I do it routinely every month. Previous month's inquiries, I'll follow them all up. And this normally for me results in an extra booking, or at least an extra meeting every month. One extra booking per month, that's massive. Simply because I asked the question. And often it's just a case of, oh yeah, we did get it, sorry, we've been busy, or we've not had a chance to get back to you yet. And sometimes it's, I never got your initial reply, like, oh yeah, I've just checked, it was in my junk folder. It gives them a bit of a nudge and reignites the conversation sometimes. Even if they do come back to you and say, look, we've found someone else, or you're just too out of our budget, at least then you know, and you've not got that uncertainty of not knowing where they're at. And also, if you get another inquiry for the same date, you could go back to the original couple and say, just wanted to let you know someone else has inquired about your date, so I've just wanted to check with you guys first to see if you are still interested, just so that you know that there is someone else interested in your date. And that can sometimes be enough of a little nudge just to scare them into, prompt them into action. It's basic stuff, and I'm sure some of you will be using some of these tactics already, but surprisingly a lot won't be. So if you're not replying and following up every single inquiry, you could be missing out on a potential booking a month. Ghosting's a common thing. I know there's a lot of noise about it at the minute, but it doesn't mean that the market's falling apart. It's completely normal. There's nothing to worry about. It happens to everyone. So do me a favor, click off this video right now, go into your inbox, find all the inquiries that you've not heard back from yet, reply, follow them up right now. Do it now. Then come back and let me know how you got on in the comments. See you next time.